Hello guys, how are you? So this is demo sessions and I will let you know what are the things you will cover in digital marketing course. Uh, Basically digital marketing course, you might be knowing, it is all online based. It is not a traditional sales or marketing. And under the digital marketing course we cover search engine optimization, basically called SEO. Then we will cover social media activity, ads on Facebook, Google ads. Will cover like text ad on search, display ads on websites, Gmail ads, Play Store apps ads, then ads on YouTube. We will also cover video marketing like YouTube marketing, TikTok videos marketing. In this we will also cover some SEO tools, digital marketing tools, social media tools and analytics as well. Also we will cover like as Google Analytics, Google Search Console, Bing Webmaster Tools, Google Tag Manager, Hotjar. These are the essential tools which we will cover, and all the classes will be hands-on experience. It means it will be online and you need to share your screen and you will do practice from your hand, and I'll give you the guidelines. Also in the last part there will be certifications from Google, Microsoft, Facebook as well as from institute. Also we will also cover up like your interview mock-up test. Then also we'll introduce some of the freelance website where you can get money, you can earn money while giving your services. You can sign up there and you can earn some money. You can also sign up on some, not just a normal affiliate marketing, you have to sign up on some recurring affiliate marketing programs where you can get lifetime monthly income. It is starts, so it starts from like SEO. So this you can see like if you type SEO on Google search, you can see ad is coming, that is Google AdWords. You will learn it how it will come here. Then also right side box will appear, no, that is called Google Knowledge Panel. You will get to know. Then for example this is the organic search where first is URL, second line you can see that is title of the URL, and third is like description. So how this appears you will also get to learn. And these are the four, you can, that is site links, that will also will get to learn. So these are all called on page SEO, technical SEO, which you can learn it in class. For example, if you search some local services, for example plumber Bangalore, you will see a box appearing like this. This is called, this box called as local SEO under Google My Business. You have to sign up and it will appear like this. You have to give your physical location, address and website details. Here you can create a free website also under Google Business. Down also you can see some of the organic search is coming with rating option. That will also cover up how you can have a rating option in your search. Other search is like, for example if you search some paneer butter masala, right hand side you can see Google Knowledge Panel, left side you can see like more description is coming, how you can have the rating option, how your website will come under recipe and all. That all related to content and a schema markup generator codes. Rich results, that is also called Google structured data, that you will learn it. When you search on digital marketing training Bangalore, you will see the different type of search. First will come ad, then local SEO will come, then you can see some question answer will come under some website, and rating option will come. Everything you will learn it, and all will be live practice. So you can see here how website is appearing in different type, with having some site links, with having some question answer, with having some rating option. Some of the website is having less description, some of the website is having more description. That will also cover up. Now I'll show you some dashboard of Google Analytics. How does it show? Okay, under the Google Analytics is the very useful tools for your digital marketing part, where you can get the details about your website users. Now I'll sign up on Google Analytics. You will see the dashboard, where you can see in left side you can see some of the menu will come, and also in Google Analytics you will have some your users activities, how much users you are getting, how many users are on real time. You will see their demographics, their locations, their age, genders, everything you will get it here. Also under Google Analytics you will learn how much time a user is giving time on your website. Active users also you can see how many active users right now on your website. So this is how we can learn it. Behavior, conversions also will learn it. You can also create sales funnel inside the analytics. You can have good reports. Goal setting also you can do it. See how demographic, interest, geo, behavior and all you can see under audience part. So this is the main dashboard of Google Analytics, and it's a free of cost. You can change the data from last 7 days, last 1 day, last 1 week, last 1 month, lifetime, anything, and you can generate the report. You can show to your manager or anyone else. You will learn it, what is users, what is sessions, what is bounce rate, what is session duration, everything you will learn it. How many users are coming on your mobile, how many users coming from your tablet, how many users are coming from social media, how many users are coming from organic Google search, everything you will learn it. So according to this you can change your website structure also. Now another tools is also there, like Google Search Console. Google Analytics is nothing but once people will search your anywhere, and they will click on the link and they will come to your website. After that, whatever the activity will come, you can see it. Google AdWords, under the Google AdWords you will see different type of creating ads. So you can see one ads is appearing like this text ads. Display ads will be, you can see in different website ads is appearing on the images. Gmail ads you can create, Google Shopping ads you can create, YouTube ads you can create. Lot of activities there. Facebook ads also will be, you'll get to know how you can create. Everything will be live. You can generate some leads also through Facebook ads. There is a lead generation forms will be available. You can just have to customize. Then you will learn social media marketing also, how you can create a page for your brand, how you can create ads also, how you can make a lot of fans. Everything you will get to know. How you can see their analytics also. Then content marketing also you will learn it, how you have to write blogging, how you can write the content, how SEO content for your website, and how you can use some of the tools and their analytics. Email marketing also will get to know what you should write on header, what you have to write on body part, and which platform you can use it for sending bulk emails. That should not be a spam. Also video marketing also you'll learn it, YouTube marketing you'll learn it, TikTok videos also you'll learn it. Then we will learn some mobile app marketing. Mobile SEO will we cover it, how you can promote your app, how you can download the more download options should be there, how you can make ads also for your app. Everything we'll learn it. Voice SEO is coming up more and more, with some enhancement also. So you'll learn it how your website should be ready for the voice SEO. If some people will search through voice on Google, your website should appear. That techniques you will learn it. Retargeting marketing also you will learn it, how Flipkart, Amazon is retargeting you to buy the same products what you have searched in their websites. Affiliate marketing, as I told you, you will learn it how you can get some earn some money through online. Now this is very good tools, Hotjar. Free version is also there, where you can see lot of things like where the user's mouse is appearing. The more red is there, no, the more people are coming to that section part. So you will learn it how users activity is going on your website, whether they are filling the forms or not. Also you will learn it. That will be recording also. Every session will be recorded of a users. You will see from where they have come, where they have exit from your website. You will learn it. So this is the major good analytics tools everyone should use at least once, and they can analyze the website and they can make use of it, and they can change their website layout also according to the users. You can also see users is scrolling your content and seeing or not, scrolling down or not. You can everything you can measure it. You can download the report also. You can sit with your CEO and change according to that, change the website layout. At the end you will see we will help you to in getting some Google certifications for digital marketing, Google Ads, YouTube marketing. Then Google Analytics certifications will be there. Then some Microsoft Bing certification will be there. We will also cover up like we'll help you in getting HubSpot certifications for content marketing, email marketing certification, and inbound sales marketing, inbound marketing. Lot of certifications is also there in free. You have to just have to give one exam and you will get it. Now you can also see there are 100+ tools. I will show you. Some of will be the paid and some of will be the free tools, where you can analyze your website. Like you can analyze your page speed, whether it is mobile friendly or not. Everything will be there. Then you will also see digital marketing tools, competitors analysis tools you will see. Also you will see some social media marketing tools, analytics. So there are a lot of tools available online. You just have to choose the best one. Some of the tools also you will learn it how you can make images in free of cost. Then I'll show you how you can create a website through WordPress without knowledge of any coding. You can create any type of website on WordPress, and you can give services, you can write blogging, you can do anything, you can do affiliate marketing, you can have a e-commerce type of website where you can sell the product also. You will learn it and you will create it also from your own hand. So you can see a lot of people are learning digital marketing, and they are creating awesome WordPress website, and they are selling something, and or they are blogging, or they are doing some affiliate marketing from there. So you can also create it. It's a very easy, it's very easy to customize. Now in WordPress also, I will show you how, from where you can take the images also, which themes you can use for your website. There are a lot of